Hi there. As a mom, I know there's nothing like the softness of a baby's skin. It's easy to be nervous about what products to use on your precious baby at that time. If you're looking for the best baby products to keep your little one clean without irritating their sensitive skin, then keep watching. When your baby is first born, you could probably spend hours running your hands over their soft skin or inhaling their sweet new baby scent. However, their skin and scalp are much more susceptible to damage, drying, and the absorption of foreign substances. It's critical to choose gentle, specifically formulated products, rather than reaching for the ones you use on yourself. If you're passionate about using only 100% natural products on your little one, then Maroma baby products are for you. And that's why we made this video. There's a soothing effect of the calendula flower extract combined with the natural olive and shea butter moisturizer that make the Maroma baby care products the best choice for your baby. You should also look for natural essential oils and nourishing vegetable oils. No synthetic fragrances, no synthetic colors, no sulfates, and no preservatives. Maroma baby products are formulated with clean, natural ingredients, so they won't irritate your baby's sensitive skin. They are gentle products, made with care. From one mom to another, Maroma's baby products are for you. How often do you bathe your baby? Tell us in the comments below and share with a mother who might be searching for the perfect shampoo for her little one. Don't forget to subscribe. It's free, and you can unsubscribe at any time.